Hello guys, in this video we will learn about plugins, what we can do with plugins and what all functionalities we can add it. First of all, when I talk about plugins, what is a plugin? Plugin is basically an add-on which you add it into your website to add different functionalities in your website. For example, like somebody is spamming, like putting vague comments of their links and everything, and that person is doing continuously, that is known as spamming. If you want to avoid that, you do not want a same person keep on commenting his own links website or doing rubbish things on your blog. You want to avoid it, although it's in your hand to approve it or not. But if you're getting 1,000 comments in a day from same robots kind of thing they have made, you want to avoid that, you can do it with the help of plugins. You install that plugin, so they will verify things before you actually, these plugins will verify those content and remove it directly, put it in spam directly, so they will not able to comment it, so you will get only a good bunch of comments which are not spam, whether it's about whether the content is good or not, but they are not spam. Okay, so you have Kismet and this guys. How to work? It's very simple to add plugins. For that, you have to go into plugins, click on add new. I will show you discuss comment system because I have already installed one. Every plugin is works in a different manner. Just remember one thing. Okay, Akismat works in a different manner. Discuss comment system works in a different manner. This one, discuss comment system by discuss. So you can have it. Click on install now. But before installing, just read out the details as well, like how old it is, when it is updated, how many people have installed it, what are the ratings of it, and all those details, so that when you install you have a fair enough idea whether this plugin is going to work good for you or not. And if you want to check how this plugin works, read out this whole discussion, what are all features are there, so that will help you to decide whether to install that plugin or not. Look at this, automatically anti-spam filtered powered by Akismat. So we need not to install Akismat. This plugin has Akismat already powered in. So we do not require two plugins. One plugin can work the functionality of it. And screenshots, how it's look like, how to install. Sometimes they have given how tutorials are also given in these sections. In screenshot, you can see how this plugin looks like, and sometimes in screenshot they tell you how to install it as well. Apart from that, you can go into reviews, read about them. Sometimes it is in English, sometimes it is not, so just go according and read it out. If you find everything is okay, use that. Otherwise, look for other plugins. It's very simple how to search plugins. I tell you, the best trick in the industry is whatever type of plugin you want, just type that plugin. Whatever type of functionality you want, you can type that. Along with that, type WordPress plugin in Google, and Google will show you a list of that. Like we want anti-spam, the one which we were talking about, so we write anti-spam WordPress plugin. That's all you have to type, and it will show you all those anti-spam plugins. I'm opening it. VP Shield, anti-spam B. Some good bloggers have given you the top listing of that. Once you reach on these links, you can check out the various plugins, and then you can check out how they works, and everything is visible. Like this plugin has a video, reviews, how many people have installed it, these bloggers who give you an idea what all kind of plugins are there, like Akismat, they tell you anti-spam by clean talks, and lot of reviews. And when you start installing any of them, any of these plugins, you copy that and search it in YouTube, that particular plugin. Why I'm telling you search it in YouTube is, what you get is you get an idea how they work, because these video gives you fair enough idea how these plugin work. Let's say we talking about anti-spam by web vitally. So if I want to check it how it works, click on that video. I'm not sure whether this video gives you a fair enough idea about this or not, but you will get an idea about how these plugins work or what are the best plugins available and lot of stuff. So you need not to worry about much plugin, how this works. You just read out, check out those videos if available, and then decide on whether that plugin you require it or not based on your requirement. But I have made your task easy. Instead of doing all these activities, what I have done, I have made a list of plugins which I use generally to have my blogs and website running properly. So I have made a categories and plugins related to that. You can check out those plugins. You need not to go for reviews about them. They are good plugins. You have to just know about whether they suit your functionality or not. So install these plugins, work on them. If you have any question, put it in a question and answer bar or in our Facebook group. So we will give you a detailed one. And if you want any video tutorial on more plugins, we will surely update you in upcoming time. So hope to see you guys in next videos. Bye bye.